pi into 2 square into h, right? So 4 pi h. After balls drop, what happens? New volume equals to pi into r square into h plus 0.8, right? H plus 0.8. Okay. So difference is what? Solve this. Pi into 2 square, difference means this minus this. So pi into 2 square into 0.8, right? Next. Now this difference in water level is because of what? Because of the lead balls. So this is the volume of the lead balls, right? Density of lead is assumed to be 1. So volume of one lead ball equals to this 4 upon 3 into pi r cube, means because it's a sphere. So 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. So we have 300 balls. So 4 upon 3 into pi r cube into 300 equals to this volume, right? Pi into 4 into 0.8. See this. This is brought on the left hand side and this is brought on the right hand side, and 300 over here. Okay. So go on solving. Pi gets cancelled. Many things get cancelled and we get r cube equals to 0.008. So if cube is 0.008, r will be what? 0.2. Because if you multiply this 0.2 into 0.2, 0.04 into 0.2 is 0.008. So radius you get 0.2 centimeter. So diameter is 0.4, 2 times. So that is the volume of each lead ball. Download Yuva app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.